Welcome back to Tutorials by David. Today I'll show you how to connect your blank to Plaid in just a few easy steps. First, open the app or service you're trying to use, like Venmo, Robinhood, or any app that requires bank linking. When you choose Link Bank Account, you'll usually see Plaid pop up as the secure connection method. Next, select your bank from the list. You can search for it directly to make things faster. After that, you'll be redirected to your bank's secure login page. Enter your online banking username and password. Don't worry, Plaid uses encrypted, secure connections, so your information is protected. Then, complete any verification step your bank requires, like a one-time passcode or SMS confirmation. Finally, review the permissions and tap Allow to finish the connection. And that's it. Your bank is now linked successfully through Plaid. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.